Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you ever wanted to share a Spotify song, playlist or artist with your friends easily, then you are going to love today's video. We are talking about how to get your Spotify QR code on Android in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. QR codes for Spotify. It's fast and cool way to share music. So, before we start, make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify app installed on your Android device. If you are not sure, you can always check for updates in Google Play Store. Now once that's out of the way, let's open the Spotify app. Once you are in the app, find the song, album or playlist that you want to share. For example, let's say I'm looking to share this awesome playlist with my friend. Alright, now that I've selected the playlist, all I need to do is tap on the three dots here. You'll see a bunch of options, but we are especially looking for not sure, but we are looking for Show Spotify code at the bottom of your screen. Now what you're gonna do is click on Show Spotify code. There you'll see a code of the song. This song code or QR code is unique to whatever song, album or playlist you have selected, and it's ready to be shared with anyone you want. All they need to do is scan it with their phone and they will be directed straight to the track you shared. You can take a screenshot of the song code or QR code and share it in a text or even post it on social media. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. Getting a song code or Spotify QR code on Android in 2025 is super easy, right? It's quick and fun way to share your music with friends, whether you are introducing them to new songs or just sharing a playlist you love. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.